Hey guys, you did a really nice job last week synthesizing the information that you found on your own and also the information shared by your colleagues in the course. You'll notice that we are talking about things in very specific categories, but as we get deeper and deeper, these categories are very much intertwined. So many of you in your reflection paper mentioned cost and quality. They are absolutely interdependent, and that influences public health. And at the same time, public health influences cost and what we need in terms of quality. This week, we're going to shift our focus a little bit to vulnerable populations and global health. And I know it's very easy to think about global health because of the pandemic, but I encourage you to think about it outside of the context of the pandemic. Although the pandemic has highlighted its importance, there are a lot of issues and illnesses and things happening that we need to be mindful of. So be sure to think about what those might be and why that's important for your future career.